Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear friends. How are you? I hope you will be fine and good. Okay, before starting the lesson, please make happy faces like this. Have you made your happy faces? Okay. Now, today we will learn a new letter which name is F. Which name is F? This is capital F and this is small f. Capital F, small f, and its phonic is okay. I have lots of friends of A. Look at this. What is it? It's a flag. It's a flag. Flag begins with phonic flag. 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 Okay. Now I have next friend. What is this? Fruits. Fruits. Fruits begins with phonic fruit. Fruit. Okay. Look at this. What is it? It is a fountain. It is a fountain. Fountain begins with phonic fountain. 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 Okay. Next friend. What is it? It's a frog. Frog. The girls wear a frog. Okay. Frog begins with phonic frog. Frog. Okay. Next friend. What is it? What is it? Fish. Fish. Fish begins with phonic fish. Fish. Okay. Next friend. What is it? This is a fire. Fire. Fire begins with phonic fire. 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 Okay. Look at this animal. Do you know? This is a clever animal. Its name is fox. Its name is fox. Fox begins with phonic fox. 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 Okay. Look at this. These are beautiful flowers. Flowers. Flowers begins with phonic flowers. Flowers. Okay. Look at this. Which body part is this? This is a foot. Foot. Foot begins with phonic foot. Foot. And look at this. What is it? This is a football. Football. Football begins with phonic football. Football. And look at this picture. There are two boys who are playing a game which name is football. Football. Football begins with phonic football. Football. Okay. Look at this. What is it? Do you know? This is a fan. Fan. Fan begins with phonic fan. Fan. Okay. What is it? It's a photo of a family. Family begins with phonic. Family. This is a happy family. All of them are looking very happy. Family. Look at this. Who is he? He is a fireman. Fireman begins with phonic. Fireman. Have you seen all the friends? I have a request to you. Please look at your surroundings and find more examples of letter F. Now do a lots of clapping. Okay, dear friends. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.